Pizza, 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 tap, tap, tap. Oh, didn't notice you there. I know I shouldn't be playing the violin like this, but I just love it. Did you feel that tapping? That's consonance. Consonant sounds can repeat at the end or right inside words. They create texture, like raindrops hitting leaves. Listen closely. Tap, tap, tap. Consonance gives writing weight and makes words knock against each other. It creates auditory texture, reinforces rhythm, adds emphasis, and strengthens a poem's sound patterns. My ears love consonants. They repeated consonant sounds makes the words echo in your ear.